Twilight fans are like all hyped out for Robert Pattinson. Robert Pattinson is premiering a new movie here tonight at Roy Thompson Hall for Tiff 2018. This movie is called High Life. Now basically, High Life could be about thrills and chills, or like getting high on drugs. Well, in this case, High Life is about space. Deep space, that is. The film finds Robert Pattinson in deep space with a bunch of criminals. Now, that's a weird place for criminals to hide out. Deep space. This is basically a sci-fi film about criminals going into deep space. You know what I'm saying? Now, Robert Pattinson has done this here before. He previously premiered a film here a couple of years ago called Map to the Stars. Now, that was basically about Hollywood, but you get the idea. Yeah. Now basically, there are all kinds of fans who like grew up in high school with Twilight, like myself. Alright? Now, Robert Pattinson is basically Edward in the Twilight series. All the nice looks and stuff like that. He basically pulled off that swag today while on the red carpet here. Now basically, he had a much smaller audience compared to Lady Gaga previously, where like the area filled up. Alright? But yeah. Got through most of the pictures and autographs. Same as Lady Gaga. Alright? Wow. Lady Gaga and Robert Pattinson, all in one day. That's basically something, alright? Now, fans are like so hyped up on Robert Pattinson that they didn't even cheer for the other stars. Like literally. There were some other stars that pulled up as well. Alright? But yeah, Robert Pattinson was basically the main attraction here. You know what I mean? With all kinds of fans with like Twilight merchandise. Alright? Yeah. Vampires going into deep space. I suppose that's something, alright? Well, if we call a vampire killing others a criminal, then yeah, I suppose you can get that idea. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So while you're living the high life, you want to dream about going into space. Which is what I want to achieve. Colonization in space. to go into deep space with the highlights starring Robert Pattinson here at Tiff.